Ever wonder why we snore? It's more common than you think. Snoring happens when air can't flow freely through your nose and throat during sleep. This causes the tissues to vibrate, creating that lovely snoring sound. Several things can contribute: your anatomy, alcohol consumption, nasal congestion, and even your sleep position. So next time you hear someone snoring, remember it's all about airflow and vibrations. If you're looking to reduce snoring, consider lifestyle changes like these. Avoid alcohol before bed, shift your sleep position, or treat nasal congestion. Sometimes simply ensuring a comfortable sleep environment with fresh air can make a huge difference. Everyone deserves a good night's sleep. Sweet dreams.